In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a macro to a response in Gorgias. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in to make sure you can do it efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, go ahead and search for Gorgias in the search bar and click on the correct link to access the site. Logging in is the next step. Enter your credentials to sign in to your Gorgias account. If you've saved your login details, you might be able to skip a few keystrokes using autofill options, making this process a little quicker. After logging in, the next task is to open a ticket within Gorgias. Locate the ticket that requires a response. Keep in mind that navigating Gorgias becomes more intuitive the more familiar you become with the interface, so don't worry if it seems a little complex at first. Once you have your ticket open, you're ready to take advantage of the macros feature. To start, locate the plus custom metric button. It should be easily visible on your screen. Click this button to begin setting up your response using a macro. Now, on the same ticket screen, look for the lightning bolt icon. This icon will allow you to open the macro menu. Give it a quick click to continue. It's really quite accessible and user-friendly once you get the hang of it. With the macro menu now open, you'll see a search bar. Type in the name or keywords related to the macro you wish to use. This search function is quite handy, especially when dealing with a long list of potential replies. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the appropriate macro for your needs. Once you've found the macro that suits your ticket, go ahead and select it from the results list. By selecting your macro, the pre-written text and any associated actions linked with it will be automatically applied to your reply. This is particularly useful for maintaining consistency in your responses and can save you a considerable amount of time. After your macro has populated the response field, carefully review all details to ensure everything appears just as you want it. This is a good time to double-check any particulars that might need adjusting for your specific ticket. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you have a couple of options to proceed. If you're ready to send off your message, click either Send or Send and Close, depending on your preference, or if follow-up actions are needed. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to sending a macro to a response in Gorgias. This tool can dramatically streamline your workload, allowing for quick, consistent, and professional replies to your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Gorgias proficiency.